Hi everyone, Sumit Chandra this side, and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials. In this video, we are diving into the exciting new features and updates in Power BI's November 2024 release. Stay tuned to discover how this announcement can transform your data analysis. Let me move to the Power BI official blog post and show you the main contents. As you see, we have two updates in Copilot and AI section. We have four updates on reporting section and we have some more updates in modeling section. Apart from that, we have some other updates on data connectivity and visualization sections as well. In this video, we will focus main 8 updates for this month. Let me move to my Power BI desktop file and show the features one by one in action. Copilot enhancement. Copilot in mobile app is a preview features. This is a game changer for users on the go, offering AI generated report summaries and insight directly in the Power BI mobile app. Now, from the mobile, user can summarize sales report or analyze machine performance in real time while in the field. To access these features, user need to tap the Copilot button in the report header for summarize or insights. Copilot summaries in subscription. User can receive AI-driven summaries of Power BI reports directly in subscription emails, making report consumption quicker and easier. To set up the Copilot summaries for Power BI report, we need to select the subscriber option from the ribbon. Then we need to click on select standard subscription. Post that, we need to select the format, either PDF or PPT, in which we want to attach the report. Then add a Copilot summary to the email delivered by the subscription. After that, if you are eligible, your subscription will receive the Copilot summaries by default. Now let me move to the next section. In the reporting section this month, we have some important updates. Small multiplies for new card visual. This is also a preview features. To try these features, you need to navigate to options and setting, click on option, preview features. From there, we need to enable new card visual. Post that, we need to restart our Power BI desktop so that we can able to use these features. Here you can see I have created a card visuals by using small multiply card features. Also here I added a parameter so that I can switch the fields based on the business need. So let me show you how to configure this in your Power BI report. Let me select the visual that I have already created and click on build. So here you can see we need to click on new card visuals first, and here you can see I have added two data point, that is net profit and net sales. And here if you updated your Power BI desktop, you will get this option small multiplies. Inside small multiplies, you can use any fields from your data table, or if you want, you can pass parameters as well. So here I have created a parameter for product and segment, and I use this parameter here so that if I click on segment, so my entire visuals will update based on segment, and if I click on product, my card visual will updated based on product only. Let me show you some other formatting options as well. Again, I click on this card visuals. Let me click on format. In format, we have many options. These are the new options. So small multiplies layout. Here you can select layout option, either single column, single row or grid. based on your needs. You can set up the max number of rows and columns. Here we have an important option, overflow. So here it's continuous scroll or paginated. So if you have more product, then one scroller will come if you select continuous scroll, otherwise it will be paginated. Then our overflow direction will be either vertical or horizontal. You can format your small multiplies header as well. So here I added the same color for all the series. If you want, you can select a particular series and accordingly you can change the color. So here we can format the new card visuals as per our wish. So this is a great new enhancement to show your data or the entire category inside cards. Let me move to the next reporting features, that is text slicer. This month they have added a new visuals, that is text slicer. First you need to enable the preview option. So we need to go to options and settings, option preview features. Then we need to enable text slicer visual. Post that, once you restart your Power BI desktop, you will get this visual. From here, we need to add text slicer. So this is my text slicer and let me show you how it works. So for example, in this box, if I put France and I click on this arrow mark, so my report will filter based on this country. To remove the filter, I can click on this cross sign. This is not a perfect example to use the text slicer. This you can achieve by using Norman slicer as well. Assume if we created a data directory for our report and on that data directory we have mentioned all the measures, the logic behind it and we explain all the measures. So on this particular case, this text slicer will be very useful for us. On that page, we can type something. For example, if we type calculate, then it will show us on which measures we will use calculate function. Let me show you how to format it or how to configure this. Post click on this visual. First, we need to add the field for which you wanted to set up this slicer. So here I set up it based on country. Then here if you want header, you can put the header name. In input text, you can type any text. Here I have given type country name here so that you can see here the hint text. Then we have some setting for dismiss button. So as I show you, if I type something and if I execute it later on, if I want to dismiss it, so from here we can configure our dismiss button. The color and everything you can configure from here. Also we have some options for apply button. So this is our apply button. You can configure all the formattings of the apply button from here. So these are the general options are available for now for this particular visuals. Now we will discuss about path layer for Azure Map visuals. Visualize geographic connections with path between multiple points, ideal for logistics, network analysis, and flight paths. These features as includes interactive tooltips, customizable colors and width, and support a geospatial storytelling. The path layer provides users the ability to visualize geographic connections between multiple points. Whether you are managing logistic, analyzing network traffic, or tracking asset shipping across the globe, these features allow you to visualize connections between multiple geographic points in an intuitive and interactive way. Our next features is visual calculations. Now you can export your visual calculations data in Excel. Earlier these features was not available. Let me show you. I have created this visual calculation. So here I have net profit and versus previous. If I click on this triple dot, now I have this export data option. Earlier that was not available. But if you export the data, Hidden fields on a visuals are not included in the export unless you export the underlying data. The result of visual calculations are always included in the export except when you exporting underlying data. Since visual calculations are not part of the underlying data as they only exist on the visuals. So now from here you can export your visual calculations data as well. Now we will discuss some modeling features. In modeling features, first we will discuss about define new measures index query view quick queries. Creating measures index query view just become even easier. The quick queries option available from the context menu of the tables, columns or other items in the data pane now includes define new measures. Let me show you this in action. Let me click on DAX query view, and from here if I click on this triple dot in more option, we have options for quick queries. Here we can see the data preview. Similarly, if we wanted to see some other data point, so from here we can run those. Again I repeat the same options. Even from here, you can define new measures. If you go to the tables and click on this triple dot from quick queries, you can generate top 100 rows results as well. Let me move to the next section. Let me open the blog post. Metric sets. This is a new era of metric management in Fabric. The public preview of metric sets is now officially available for both desktop and service. This is a transformative new features designed to reduce how organizations manage and consume metrics. This month, they are announcing performance improvements for models with calculations group and format string in Excel. Also, they have released DLP policies restrict access action for semantic models. This is also a preview features. Now, let me discuss quickly about TMDL extension. So this is very helpful if you working with semantic model in VS Code. Let me go to my Power BI file. So here you can see in this screenshot, if you are working on semantic model in VS Code, it will help you semantic highlighting. This improves readability by adapting different colors to the part of your code based on meaning, making it easier to understand the structure and functionality. Also, it will help you in error diagnostic and autocomplete your code. Let me move to the documentation again. Apart from this, they have updated Snowflake data connector, and also they have some updates developers plus APIs section. Apart from this month they have updated some visualizations as well. That wraps up the November 2024 Power BI update highlights. Which features excites you the most? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon for the new video alerts.